I've been fishing this morning, been in the garage, tidied that up. On the front lawn, back lawn, block paving, lots of weeding. Now I'm going for a walk in the valley with my binoculars. I'm going to keep the same clothes on again because I'm going fishing to round off the hours of daylight as well. A few cars just now racing down the lane, incredible speeds, very, very dangerous. And I was on the verge anyway, watching the woodland as they raced past, and I spotted two muntjac. They are over that way in that dense area. And I thought to myself, that's my life really. It's a parallel universe to many people, just racing on the road, trying to get from A to B as fast as they possibly can. And I'm taking my time, engaging with nature and getting a lot from it. I've got the binoculars ready. I don't want to disturb them too much. I've got a golf course just there and there's someone working on it at the moment. I can hear them on there with their mower. But for now, I am going to see how close I can get to the deer without actually disturbing them. The deer have disappeared. That's how they survive actually. They don't have holes to run into, they can't fly, they can't get away in the way that other mammals can. And even though they are big creatures, they are very elusive and they have a habit of disappearing, as it were. Beautiful woodland, isn't it? I love having this on my doorstep. I'm watching a fox. It's now disappeared. One of the badger sets in the valley. Lots of fresh digging been going on. Great to see. I just saw, as I was turning into our road, two little egrets in flight from south to north along the valley. As you can see there, we've got our Christmas tree up and also Dilwyn is very excited to see me, aren't you? Right, get the flask on. Make some tea, or get the kettle on, should I say. Make some tea and let's go fishing again. It's a hard life, isn't it? But someone has to live it. What do you think, Dilwyn? What do you think, Dilwyn? Come on. No, he's gone. Oh, here he is. Part two. Kisanai, kisanai. That means kisses in Welsh.